Assalamu alaikum everyone, and let's talk about Pepe 2 because Pepe 2 is just incredible. It's on fire right now, and do help me to get to 100k. If you're new to the channel, do make sure you're subscribing here because you may never see the channel again. And I want to bring in Pepe. Previously I gave you this technical target up here. We've actually pretty much met the target. You went up, you made this rounded bottom right there, and you even pushed to the moon to the upside. So a lot of speculation is still going on. I'm going to bring back the logarithmic scale so that we can probably try to check things on a different scale here. So logarithmic scale. Okay, so you had the pattern. This was your pattern right there. You broke above the pattern, and ever since you broke, you've just kept on moving and moving and moving, and you are not really stopping until here. So there is one trend line that really needs to be broken, and it's actually right over there. So keep this in mind. I'm going to remove some of the trend lines which we don't require anymore, and this one as well. So if you'll notice, one thing is that there's a small influence which started over here. This was your breakdown, and if you notice, this breakdown happened, you came up and you pretty much got rejected at this very stage right there. So is this a place where you could be rejected once again, or are you making a very bullish pattern here to continue even higher? That's the thing, right? This can actually break above and even push, literally push, and take the all-time high, go above the all-time high, and just continue to go really high. Now, in order for that one to happen, first of all, I'm just going to go back to the regular chart pattern, and I'm going to bring the regular chart pattern, and let's see the next technical target, because this is known as a rounded bottom if it does actually play out. So all we're looking for is a break above, and you may see another very big push to 13,000. I don't know, this is like 134,000 by the way, and that's a push of nearly from there to there. We're talking about 82% increase, right, from 63,000, and you're going all the way to 130,000. So it's nearly a 2x. As you've seen, it's 80x. Now, here's the thing. You understand that if you go back, we started off with this first push. You made a continuation right there. You broke above the continuation. You made another continuation. And then you broke above here. Is this another continuation, right? One continuation, two continuation, and a third continuation. Now, they could fool you into thinking that is a continuation. They can actually fool you, and it's market makers, people who make the markets. And because you've already seen this one, you've already seen the two, and you're going to consider this third one as well, because you've missed the first two, but eventually this one does go down. Now, there are few reasons, of course, for this one to go down. Reason number one is that it's really overblown, and you may actually see some blood in the future, but I highly doubt. I cannot say with confidence if things are going to go worse, because November is a good month and it still can continue to the upside. So let's make things more simple. If this is indeed going to be your pattern, another flag here, and you try to break above, then I would say if the prices start to push up and take this high, which is going to be 89,000, you're sitting at 63,000. If you go back to 89,000, come down for the retest like this, then you're pretty good to actually move to the upside. Otherwise, you have to be very careful at this area, because fact is this is a resistance nonetheless, and the resistance, as I've shown you, comes up from this point. So if that resistance does play out, you're looking for a retracement. And the reason why I'm saying if you want to continue higher, you have to break this level. That means that the resistance is actually broken above and the flag is in place. So you're looking for that technical target and a further push to the upside. Hope this makes sense, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.